Hi, I'm Coleman, and I'm going to give you a step-by-step walkthrough on how to install your Ultrashelf. Regardless of your DIY skills, Ultrashelf is designed to make your installation experience as easy as possible. Every Ultrashelf comes with a Studlock bracket and wood screws. All you'll need is a power drill with a Phillips bit, a measuring tape, a level, and a stud finder. The first step in installing your shelf is determining the location of the shelf. The great thing about our bracket is you don't need to worry about having to install your shelf where the studs are. Because there's a hole every inch, you'll be able to drill into studs no matter where you place your shelf. So just place your shelf anywhere you want. Once you know where you want your shelf, take a pencil and mark the wall on the left and right end of the shelf. Now that you know where the shelf is going to be, the next step is to mark your wall where the center of the shelf will be. The shelf that we're installing here is 51 inches in length, so our center point will be 25.5 inches from the first mark we made. The last mark you're going to make on your wall is the location of the wall studs. Using your stud finder, locate all the studs within the left and right limits of your shelf. Once studs are located, mark the left and right sides of the studs so you can drill into the center of the stud. Now that you have all of the markings that you need, it's time to install your bracket. First, line up the center of your bracket to the center shelf line that you made earlier, and then drill into the stud. Once you fasten the first screw, place your level on top of the bracket. Once it's level, fasten the remaining screws into the studs. Great! You've made it to the last step, which also happens to be the easiest part of the installation. Just slide your shelf onto the bracket. And that's it. I hope this video has given you the confidence to be an Ultrashelf DIY master. If you have any questions at all, reach out to our support team via live chat, phone, or email us posted on our website. We're here to help.